In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Brevo emails. Videos can be a highly engaging element to include in your emails, making your campaigns more dynamic and appealing. Whether you're creating an entirely new campaign or updating an existing one, incorporating video is a great way to capture your audience's attention. Let's walk through the steps together. First, we'll start on the Brevo dashboard. This is your control center for all things email marketing. Once you're there, you need to navigate to Campaigns. This section houses all your current and past email campaigns, giving you an overview of your email marketing activities. Next, you'll decide whether to create a new email campaign or modify an existing one. If you're setting up a new campaign, you'll have a blank slate to work with. For those of you updating a current campaign, you'll have the advantage of building on your existing design. Either way, you'll find yourself in the campaign editor ready for the next step. Now, direct your attention to the Design tab. This is where your creativity can really shine. Click on Edit Design to begin customizing your email. You'll find a variety of blocks to choose from, but today we're focusing on adding video content. Look for the Video Content block among the available options. Once you find it, it's time to drag and drop it into your email design. This functionality makes it easy to place the video exactly where you want it to appear, allowing for seamless integration into the overall layout of your email. Once the video content block is in position, hover over it. You should see an option to click on it, which allows you access to more settings. At this step, you're ready to input your video link. You'll notice a field labeled Video URL. All you need to do is paste your video link into this field. This action links your video to the email, enabling recipients to watch it directly from the campaign. Make sure the URL is correct to prevent any playback issues. At this point, you're nearly finished, but there's an additional option to refine your video settings. Perhaps you want to adjust the size or alignment, or perhaps there's a specific thumbnail you wish to use. Take this opportunity to customize the video content block to better fit your overall email design. Once you're satisfied with the video integration and any other design adjustments you've made, locate the Save and Quit option in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will secure all the changes you've implemented and wraps up your video edition process. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Brevo email campaign. By following these steps, you can elevate your emails, make them more interactive, and ultimately more effective. Thanks for joining me today.